In this video, I'll be showing you that how you can easily turn off HDR videos on Instagram step by step in the easiest way possible. First of all, open up the Instagram app. Now you may notice that sometimes when you are scrolling reels on Instagram, you see a lot of vivid type filters and all that stuff. The videos are very bright, and if you want to turn that off, all you would need to do is to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. Then tap on those three lines on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. Now scroll down all the way and you would be able to find a section of your app and media, and in that section tap on media quality, and the third option is disable display of HDR media. All you would have to do is to toggle it on. Now you would not be able to see HDR videos in your Reels feed and all that stuff. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.